Namaste everyone, hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are going to discuss important question and answers or problems and solutions on averages topic. So let's get started. The first problem is the average of three numbers is 24 and that of the last two is 30. Find the first number. It is given that a plus b plus c by 3 equal to 24. So the sum of average is 24 and sum of the three numbers will be a plus b plus c equal to 24 into 3 72. And b plus c by 2 equal to 30. This value is given. B plus c equal to 60. Here we have to identify the a. So 72 minus 60 we get 12. A value is 12. Option B is the right answer. Moving to the second question. The average of 11 results is 30. That of the first 5 is 25 and that of the last 5 is 28. Find the value of sixth number. Average of 11 numbers is 30. So the sum will be 30 into 11 330. And the average of first 5 is 25. Sum will be 25 into 5 equal to 125. And the average of last 5 is 28. Sum will be 28 into 5. Here the sixth number is missing. So we'll sum up these two values 125 and 140 and subtract from 330. That gives 330 minus of 125 plus 140 equal to 65. This is the sixth number. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the third question. Average temperature from Sunday to Thursday is 25 degrees centigrade and from Monday to Friday is 26.5 degrees centigrade. The temperature on Sunday is 20 degrees centigrade. Find the temperature on Friday. Here the average temperature from Sunday to Thursday of 5 days is 25 degrees centigrade and average from Monday to Friday the same 5 days is 26.5 degrees centigrade. Here if we observe these two cases, Sunday is removed, Sunday has gone and Friday has been increased. When Sunday is there, the average was 25 degrees centigrade. When Sunday gone and Friday came, the average increased to 26.5 degrees centigrade. And that means the average has been increased. That means the Friday temperature will be more than the Sunday temperature. And Sunday temperature is given as 28 degrees centigrade. So our Friday temperature will be more than the 28 degrees centigrade. So Friday temperature can be written as 28 plus something. What is that something? Let's do it. 28 plus 1.5. This is the increased temperature, increased average. For how many days? 5 days. So 1.5 into 5. That is 7.5. 7.5 plus 28 is 35.5. This is the Friday temperature. Option B is the right answer. Moving to the fourth question. The average of 34 boys in a class is 14 years. If the teacher's age is included, the average becomes 15 years. What is the teacher's age? Here the average of 34 boys is 14 years. That means each and every boy will be having 14 years according to the concept of equality. According to the equality concept, each and every boy will be having 14 years. Okay. Next, the average is increased to 15 years. From 14 to 15 it has increased. It is increased by one value. So the teacher's age will be more than the 14 years. And teacher's age can be written as 14 plus something. What is that something? We will find out. 14 plus 35 into 1. 35 means initially there were 34 boys. When teacher is added, the count became 35. 34 and 35. In the previous problem, in both the cases there are 5 days. So that's why we have written 5. But here the one number has been increased. That's why 35. And the average is increased to 1. So 35 into 1. 14 plus 35, 49 years. Option C is the right answer. Moving to the fifth question. The average of 7 consecutive numbers is 20. The largest of these numbers is. Average number means the middle number. In a consequence, in a sequence, in an order, the average means which one is the middle, that is the order. So it is clearly given the middle number is 20. Among 7 numbers, the middle number is 20 means before there are 3 numbers and after there are 3 numbers. After 21, 22, 23. The 23 is the largest number among the 7 numbers. Option B is the right answer. Moving to the sixth question. Of the 3 numbers, second is twice the first and is also thrice the third. If the average of the 3 numbers is 44, find the largest number. It is given that there are 3 numbers A, B, C and B number is thrice of the first number and twice of the third number. Thrice of the third number and twice of the first number. So the satisfiable number will be 6x. 6x is double of first number and triple of the third number. Okay, their average is given as 44. 3x plus 6x plus 22x by 3 equal to 44, and 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11. 11x is equal to 132 parts, x equal to 12 parts, and they have asked to identify the largest number. Among these three numbers, which is the largest? Obviously the 6x is the largest, so 6 into 12 equal to 72. Option B is the right answer. Moving to the 7th question. The average of 12 observations is 37. The average of first 4 observations is 29, and the average of next 5 observations is 41. If the 10th observation is 2 more than 11th observation, and 11th observation is 26 more than the 12th observation, what is the 11th observation? They have asked to identify the 11th observation. Here the average of 12 observations is given as 37. That means each and every observation must be 37 according to the concept of equality. So, and the average of first 4 observations is 29. This average 29 is 8 less than the normal average 37. And again, and the average of next 5 observations is 41. And this 41 is 4 greater than the normal average 37. So we'll write like this. 10th observation we take as x plus 2. First of all, we take 11th observation as x, because they asked to identify the 11th one. That's why 11th is x. 10th observation will be x plus 2 according to the question, and 12th observation is x minus 26. We will add all these, x plus 2 plus x minus 26. Next, 37 into 3, because we don't know these 10th, 11th and 12th observations are considered or assumed as 37. That's why we have written 37 into 3 plus 8 into 4. There are 4 numbers which are 8 less than the normal average. That's why we have written 8 plus 8 into 4. Again, there are 5 observations which are 4 more than the normal average. So we have written minus 5 into 4. And after the simplification, we get 3x minus 24 equal to 123, 3x equal to 47, x equal to 49. 11th observation is 49. Option D is the right answer. Moving to the 8th question, last one. The average of 11 numbers is 30. The average of first 6 numbers is 34, and the average of last 6 numbers is 28. What is the 6th number? We were asked to identify the 6th number. Average of 11 numbers is 30. Sum of 11 numbers will be 330. Average of first 6 numbers is 34. Sum will be 34 into 6, 204. And average of last 6 numbers is 28. Sum will be 28 into 6. Here the 6th number is repeated twice. So in order to identify this 6th number, we have to deduct from big value to small value. That's what we'll do. When a number is repeated twice, we have to subtract to get that actual number. So to identify that number, we have to subtract. What we have to subtract? 204 plus 168 and minus of 330. 204 plus 168 minus 330, that gives 42. Option A is the right answer. I hope you understood all the questions and answers, and thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.